Welcome back guys. So in this video we will talk about rest of the option into the file menu. So add a shortcut to Drive. For example, we want to create the shortcut to the Google Drive, and by default when we open Google Drive it appear in front of us, and directly we double click on that and the file, it could be into any folder, appear in front of us. Next is move to trash. Very simple option, it will delete the file and send into the trash folder. The next is publish to the web. The publish to the web option allows us to merge this website with the HTML page or a web page. What we can create a link of this file, or we can get a embedded code which we can embed with our HTML code, and we can display this file with the web page also. And the next topic is the document detail. Document details is simple, the basic information about the document, what is the location, in which folder it is stored, and who is the owner, me or it could be anyone. Or the next is who modified it last time and it's modified at this time, and when it was created. So this is in document details. And if we go to the next thing, that is spreadsheet setting. Here I have we have that like what kind of language it is, what is the time zone, calculation kind of setting we have. So this is a general setting. Being a beginner, we do not need to change these settings, but yes, this is a basic setting about the language, or timing, and the what kind of calculation you are doing. Then next option is print. So if you want to print, you have a printer connected with it, then you can directly select the spreadsheet and select its the same way we have done into the PDF. You can select landscape or portrait and just click on the next button, and you will get a printout. So this is a very basic idea how to get a printout of Google Sheet. So guys, this is about the file menu. So today our file menu has been completed. So if you guys have any query, question, any option which is not understandable why you guys into file menu, we are there for you. Just comment into the comment box and share these videos with your friends, colleagues. So by saying all this, please like, share, comment, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.